Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to do a sign paint out with a little bit of wire work. So here is our output. And here is our starting shot. We just got some neon sign and a little bit of a support wire in front. So I thought I'd show you guys how to do that. So let's walk through the node tree here. From the media in, I took it into a paint node and I gave the paint node a background. The background is just a color picker version from the media in just to match the sign paint. And with the paint, I painted it out on frame 73 here. This needs to be our anchor point or our reference point. So I took this and just painted around the sign. You can see there's some sloppiness here on the wire work, but if we look on the original shot, we've got the lettering right behind it. It was kind of a challenge. I could probably do a better job now. This is sort of an older project, but that ended up being what I did. Now the background feeds the color of the paint. And then you can see I have this node called a TimeSpeed. So with our paint and on frame 73, this needs to be the reference and the anchor point. So I'm using the TimeSpeed here, and you can see under delay, I have 73 typed in right here. That means it's always going to reference frame 73. I have a planar transform, and that's going to tell this TimeSpeed and paint background to move with the motion. So I have a planar tracker up here. If we look at it, I basically painted around the sign or circled the sign and got the tracking data here. So you can see the paint is moving in the background, skewing. Now I made a planar transform and brought that in line. Now if we look at the planar transform, the paint moves perfectly with it. So we have a copy of that same planar transform data, literally just grab it, copy and paste, and I put that in over this polygon. This polygon is now masking. It's telling it only add the paint and making a safe zone outside this mask. So if we look at this mask here, black is where the hole is and white is where everything's left alone. And then the planar transform, of course, makes that move to match our original planar transform. So that all gets merged in. So we took a copy of the original, ran it through the paint, gave it the background color, gave it the TimeSpeed reference frame, planar transform for the movement, polygon to basically cut a hole here, match the movement with the second planar transform, merge all that together into our media out, and then we ended up with this. Like I said, I could probably do a better job nowadays, but it's passable. So if you guys have any questions on this, leave them down below in the comments. If you got another topic you want me to make a video on, leave that as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.